Holy crap, they look so much better than the halogen ones. I'm impressed, AUXBEAM. What's up guys, it's your boy Ivan back again. I know we've been lagging on the vlogs, but me and my boy Gio, we're gonna really try to do daily vlogs more often. I know we've been super busy with our car shows, just work in general, we've been slammed. So Gio here has a daily. I'm gonna actually show you guys his new dude. Well, I was.
Oh, hold on, I got the keys. I got the
blocking
keys.
me out. Alright, so now we're outside. This is Gio's new daily. He has a turbo Mazda Protege, and it looks like shit. And I mean, seriously.
There's a lot of shit on it.
Literally, it looks like it has shit on it. We're gonna take our time right now, out of our day, and wash it. And we're gonna actually use our products, our Tokyo Wax products, so we can go ahead and show you guys the end result.
So it's actually a little bit too hot, and I don't feel like driving right now. So I made Ivan drive the Protege. Can you reach the pedals, Ivan? Can you reach the pedals? Hey! Like Ivan just said, I just bought the Mazda for a daily. I came up on a really good deal, so I said, fuck it, why not? My Evo's still there. For those of you guys that were asking, yes, I still have my Supra. Look at this guy. Look at this guy. You break it, you fix it, because I'm not selling it.
I just wanted it to make turbo noises.
We're gonna go ahead and grab the pressure washer, grab some of the stuff from Tokyo Wax. We're gonna go ahead and wash the car, detail it a little bit, and show you what the products can do.
So pretty straightforward, car soap. We're gonna go ahead and put it in our foam cannon gun. Obviously I've already put a ton in here. Fill it up with some water, put the cap on, shake it, and then we should have suds.
Ivan, you got the slippers on, bro?
And when you're stressed out, you want to be comfy.
You know, I had the slippers on, but I couldn't do it. I couldn't do it for the vlog. I'm not that comfortable yet with you guys. I have to put my shoes on, even though you guys can't see it.
Just got done rinsing the car down, getting all the bird poop, all the dirt, grime, everything. Car's disgusting. So now, Gio's gonna do the honors and get her a little moist.
Let's go, moist.
Oh! Look how rich that foam is though. So the car is super foamed up, you know, let the soap do its thing, push the dirt and everything down. As you can tell, the soap is super dirty from everything it pulled off the car. We're just gonna send it and use some microfiber towels to scrub it down, and then we're gonna rinse it.
Look at that, guys. It's so smooth now.
Quick little scrub down, nothing crazy. So we're gonna go ahead and now rinse all the soap off, dry the car, and then show you guys the end result. Just got done drying down the car, and I don't think you guys can tell on camera, but the car looks like completely 360. Like it actually has a shine to its paint. It's clean. There's no bird shit anywhere. I mean, obviously we cleaned it, and remember, you guys take note, we only scrubbed it down with like some microfiber towels, nothing crazy. She looks pretty clean. Next thing up for today, we had a company reach out to us. They're called AUXBEAM. I'm gonna go ahead and show you their package. Just basically make LED bulbs for just your headlights, you know, LED products and like light bars and all that. They sent us this package. It's actually bulbs for the RX-7. Here are the headlights. LED. So I'm gonna go ahead and install them and try to install them on the RX-7. Hopefully they go in no problems, which of course I'm pretty sure there's gonna be a problem. Here's the headlight housing. Here's the original headlight bulb, the halogen one. Has this metal like resistant clip right there. Clipped it, removed that. Boom, the LED one from AUXBEAM literally just went in no problem. Here's the connector right there, that 3-prong connector, and it connects to that black clip, which is the original connector for the halogen. Now I just gotta go ahead and put the rubber boot back on, and we should be good. Just got done installing the new LED bulbs. Holy crap, it's hot over here. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn on the headlights and let's see the new result. Holy crap, they look so much better than the halogen ones. Damn, that's crazy different. That's just huge. I'm impressed, AUXBEAM. AUXBEAM is offering us right now a 15% off discount code if you want to go ahead and purchase their LED headlight bulbs replacements. They're all in their F16 lineup. I highly recommend them. Super easy to install and they look great, like amazing. So I'll go ahead and put the code down below. The code should be valid till the 21st of this month. So make sure you guys go ahead and grab yourself a pair. I know it was a short video, not super crazy, but I hope you guys enjoyed it. Like I said, me and Gio are gonna try to vlog more often, give you guys some more content, get back on our grind on YouTube. Please go ahead and make sure to like and subscribe. Comment down below, give us some suggestions on what you guys want to start seeing more often. We will have more content. I do want to let you guys know I'm getting my FRS back, so there's a lot coming in store with that car. Thank you guys all for the love and support. Until then guys, peace out.
Everything I drop, play.